the right one last and you get yourself whatever other piece you may be looking for, another arm in the bullpen. Everybody can always use one. Probably not a starter unless you go with Colton Wong, who has much more years of control. You might be able to get a starter out of somebody for him, but before the deadline comes, try to get something else to help the team, because there's an absolute overflow of the influence right now.
3 balls and 2 strikes. The count is over. Castillo on second, 1 away, top of the 5th. 2-0 Cardinals lead the Diamondbacks. 3-2 in the air, right field. Piscotty going over in foul territory. Will run out of room.
Oh, time to go flirt.